It is said that there are two certainties in life: death and taxes. I've recently had a third come into my life, and that is, if I'm going to go moto camping in August, it is going to rain. Join me and Dave as we ride in really bad weather, camp in less bad weather, ride to the top of an epic mountain in quite okay weather, and then ride in really bad weather again. Stay tuned, this is going to be a good video. Our ride actually began in some pretty nice weather on some pretty tame roads. Our first destination was a quick stop at the Canada-US border.
No, eh? So, look at that tree right behind you.
What about it?
You see the camera on it?
After a quick stop at the border monument, we made our way to a nearby fire lookout up a very creatively named road.
Lookout Road. Wonder what I have to watch out for. Woo-wee.
We had a nice lunch at the lookout, and all in all, we were enjoying our fairly chill day. On our way back down, we noticed that the weather to our east was looking pretty rough. Being the geniuses that we are, we decided to head that way. It didn't take long for the rain to start, so we soon found ourselves pulling over and putting on our rain gear.
I'm gonna layer up.
It's a good thing we did, because the rain would quickly start coming down much harder. Our new plan was to explore this new area to us that our map showed having two possible routes out of and towards the spot where we intended to camp. Both lines on the map were pretty solid and looked well traveled, so we thought we would have no trouble making it happen.
I'll follow you. Alright, we're gonna give this major trail a try.
It quickly became apparent that what the map showed as a thick black line was really an old road that hadn't been used in quite some time.
Whoa, are you okay, Dave? Holy crap. Dude, I didn't even see that till you smoked it.
I didn't break my windshield.
Wow.
Wow, that was a smoker. Okay, ready?
Yep. Holy crap. Wow.
Yeah, that was just down.
That happened out of nowhere.
Yeah.
Wow. This looks well traveled.
God, I could have got my shoulder on
Yeah.
the or something.
Do you remember how far down the washout was?
I got a feeling that this hasn't been. I might have done this like 8 years ago.
Oh.
That's why it's like grass.
As you heard from Dave, he had ridden this trail from the other end 8 years ago and hadn't quite made it. I knew that he had ridden parts of it before, but I hadn't heard about the 8 years ago part until right that moment.
Woo-wee.
Yes.
Well, well, I didn't want to try very hard because I don't really want to ride this. Think we can enduro? Well, we might as well walk.
Those two don't look good, do they?
No.
Those are big ones. Alright. Just stop to go for a little hike and get warmed up.
We'll bring a chainsaw next time. And a hot tent.
I wasn't particularly sad that we turned around on this one. It took a long time to go, maybe half a kilometer, and we still had another way out of here to try.
Okay, I guess we're going up. Let's see what happens. Oh my god, it's so wet. Starting to look like a trail to nowhere, and god, that'd be annoying. Dude, we're nowhere near.
What's that?
We're nowhere near the end.
Let's give it a try for, let's say, a kilometer or something.
Okay. Are you wearing goggles still?
I don't think so.
I can't.
My windscreen is now.
I can't see anything out of these. I might just go slow.
Yeah. Don't worry about going whatever speed, because it's so greasy, and
Yeah.
I don't need a high-speed fall.
Again.
Low-speed fall. That wasn't a high speed.
Oh, I was full tilt.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I was doing 80.
I'll speed it up. Whoa! Well, I guess we're gonna try.
The lack of a bridge should have been our first indicator that this wasn't a well-used trail. It didn't take long for us to surrender and turn around.
Well, maybe on a nice dry day, I would consider seeing if this one goes anywhere, but not today.
This turnaround meant that we would have to ride 25 kilometers through the same terrible conditions to get us back onto a more major Forest Service road that still wasn't particularly close to anything. Eventually, our luck and the weather began to turn as it started clearing and we became less miserable.
Oh, stop raining.
Just in time for me to still be soaked is the problem.
Well, we're going to be soaked no matter where we
We briefly debated staying in a hotel for the night, but the nearest town is a bougie resort town, and that would have meant big dollars that dirtbag dual sport riders just don't have. So we decided to go to a nearby campsite in the hopes that the rain wouldn't be too bad.
We've done it. It was a great day until it became a not as great day.
The rain for almost our entire evening at camp was more of a light drizzle, and we had a good fire, so it was quite manageable. We woke up the next day, however, to some stunning weather.
Show off.
Day 2 started off with some pretty cruisy dirt roads and some pavement as we made our way to a trail that I was itching to get some redemption on. My last ride to this area was stopped by a mechanical failure, so I never made it to the top. The trail up this mountain is loose, rocky, and heaps of fun.
Pretty cool, eh?
Yeah, that's quite the road.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, wow. I got distracted. Don't do that. Fiddlesticks, that's embarrassing.
The views just kept getting better and better the further we went.
Ho, 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 ho! Wow, that is cool. Yeah, that is the end. Wow.
I guess it's the other way, huh?
Yeah, eh? Oh, I'm gonna try it.
Yeah, you can try it.
See what happens. Holy crap.
People always say that action cameras don't show the steepness. This looks really steep on camera, so just keep that in mind. It was stupid.
That is crazy. Whew. I am so close. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I gotta build speed here next run. Wow.
So it actually goes to the top.
Yeah.
So it must get steeper than this?
Not much steeper, but it just doesn't stop going up. Well, luggage is off. I can't remember the last time I took my luggage off for a hill, so.
Never.
Oh yeah. Woo! No way. No way. Let's go. Wow. That was worth it. Woo!
Heck.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, Dave's 300 didn't quite have the torque to make it to the top, so we ended up hiking the last little bit.
Wow, you can just see so far. Imagine if it wasn't raining. Holy fuck. Look down in the States there.
Yeah, it does not look good.
They're getting hammered.
That's gonna be us in an hour. Woohoo! Oh yeah, wow. I just saw it strike and it struck low.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Seeing lightning strike when you're on top of a very tall mountain typically isn't a good thing, so we hightailed it down the mountain.
All right, we got down. We gotta get luggage on. And we got bounced out of here pretty quick. Weather's starting to turn. Are you kidding? I can't think of a worse possible location to get a flat tire right now. And here I am.
Changing a tube on this exposed mountain with lightning on the way seemed like a pretty bad idea. So I decided to ride down the entire mountain with a flat front tire. No good, but ultimately in the end, we were able to get to the bottom where I was able to make a repair. After fixing the flat, we began the reasonably long journey home. It poured rain for about half of it. It wasn't that great, but overall, we had tons of fun on this ride. The peak made it all worth it, and at the end of the day, nothing too bad happened. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, be sure to leave a comment and subscribe.